Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today is going to be showing you how to get free Xbox Game Pass in 2026. This is going to save you a bunch of money because, as you can see, the plans start at around $10 a month. This is going to get you 12 months of free Xbox Game Pass, and this actually uses a code you can redeem. So you redeem the code in the Microsoft Store, and it is going to supply you with a free subscription to Xbox Game Pass. So before I show you this method, I'm also doing a gift card giveaway. I'm giving tons of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so go ahead and do both of those things. But anyway, let's get into this tutorial and show you how to get free Xbox Game Pass in 2026. So I recommend you use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your Game Pass code, and then you can redeem it on your console. So go to www.crashcoupons.com, and Crash Coupons is a game code website. I've been using them previously for other things, but they have hundreds of pages, guys. So just search for Xbox gift card, or Game Pass I should say, Xbox Game Pass, it should pop up. There you go. So basically just look for this page, Xbox one, this one here, and there are 2 verified working codes on this page, guys, and you can see hundreds of people used it today alone, over 5,000 5-star ratings, and you can get a 12-month free Xbox Game Pass membership. So if this is what you want, I'm guessing it is, you got to click on get code. And these are limited codes, but there are like 700 plus codes remaining. So click on show full code, and this is going to allocate you one of these working Game Pass codes. So it literally takes just a few minutes to do this, guys, and it is saving you so much money considering how expensive it is. So you do need to unlock your Game Pass code. That is because these are limited, and it limits 1 code per user, guys. So to unlock your code, you've got to click on this button and follow the instructions on the screen here, guys. You just need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks below, and that is going to unlock your code. So as you can see, there is a list of tasks on this screen that are completely free. They take a few minutes each to complete, and they're really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, answering surveys, playing mobile games. Just make sure you follow the instructions below each of the 2 tasks you choose. And once you fully complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your free Xbox Game Pass membership code will be revealed, and you can redeem it in the Microsoft Store, and that is going to supply you with a 12-month Xbox Game Pass membership for free. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons, search for the Xbox Game Pass codes page here, guys, and select the 12-month free. So I am doing that gift card giveaway as well to people who like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.